Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve this interesting Maths Olympiad exponential equation right here before us. We have 8 to the power of m plus 1 minus 8 to the power of m minus 1 equals 3024. Now, we have to find the value of m, but we will satisfy this equation right here. Now, we have a solution of 8 to the power of m plus 1 minus 8 to the power of m minus 1 equals 24. Now, first, you need to note that if you have a to the power of x plus y, that this is equivalent to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y. And also, if you have a to the power of x minus y, but this is equivalent to a to the power of x all over a to the power of y. This is from indices laws. Now, we are going to apply these two laws of indices to this given equation, mostly at the left hand side of the equation. Now, if you do that, this equation becomes here, we apply this here, and we have 8 to the power of m multiplied by 8 to the power of 1. And minus here, we apply this, we have 8 to the power of m all over 8. Now, this equals 24. Now, simplifying this further here, we have 8 to the power of m and 8 to the power of m. Then as such, we are going to factor out 8 to the power of m because it is common at the left hand side of the equation, and we are going to have here 8 to the power of m, then into 8 minus 1 all over 8, then equals 24. Now, we are going to simplify the term inside the parentheses first, and if you do, we are going to have here 8 to the power of m into here 8 times 8, that will give us 64, then minus 1 all over 8, and the whole of this equals 24. And again, we simplify, we take a difference in the numerator, we have here 8 to the power of m multiplied by 63 all over 8, then equals, this multiplication equals 24. And at this point, we are going to multiply both sides of the equation by 8 all over 63. In that case, this side, this 63 over 8 will be eliminated, and we have here 8 to the power of m equals 24 multiplied by 8 all over 63. And the equation becomes here 8 to the power of m equals here 63, we divide 1, and 63 into 30, 24 will give us 48, and we have this equals 48 multiplied by 8. And in this case, we multiply this out, we are going to have that 8 to the power of m equals 384. Now, at this point, I'm going to restructure this equation for simplicity. I'm going to divide both sides of this equation now by 64. Then, in that case, the whole equation becomes here 8 to the power of m divided by 64 equals 384 divided by 64. Sorry, divided by 64. Now, at this point, at the left hand side of this equation, both the numerator and the denominator can also be expressed in the same base of 2. Then as such, I'm going to take this to base 2, and I'm going to have a 2 to the power of 3m all over 2 to the power of 6, that will give me 64, and this will give me 2 to the power of 3 will give me 8, then multiply by m, that gives 2 to the power of 3m, and the whole of this equals here 384 divided by 64, that will give me 6. That will give me exactly 6. Then now here, recall also that if you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, but this is equivalent to a to the power of x minus y, then I'm going to apply this rule right here, and it becomes 2 to the power of 3m minus 6 equals 6. Then at this point, I'm going to take the log of both sides of the equation, then at this point I'm going to have here log 2 to the power of 3m minus 6 equals 6. Now, at this very point, I'm going to apply power rule here. I'm going to return this power on top 2 to the back of the log, and the equation becomes 3m minus 6 log 2 equals log 6. And note also that 6 can also be expressed as a product of 3 and 2. Therefore, we're going to have here 3 and minus 6 log 2 equals log 2 times 3. Then at this point, I'm going to apply product rule here, and the equation becomes 3m minus 6 log 2 equals log 2 plus log 3. When at this point now, going to divide both sides of the equation by log 2, and here we'll divide it by log 2, and the same thing here, divide this by log 2. I write here log 2 will eliminate log 2, and the equation becomes 3x minus 6 equals log 2 plus log 3 all over log 2. And right here, I'm going to distribute the numerator by this value in the denominator now. That is, I'm going to have here 3m, this is 3m. 3m minus 6 equals log 2 all over log 2 plus log 3 all over log 2. And here, log 2 will eliminate log 2 here, and we have 3m minus 6 equals here 1 plus log 3 all over log 2. And note also that if you have log a all over log b, that is equivalent to log a base b. When at this point I'm going to apply this here, and this expression becomes 3m minus 6 equals 1 plus log 3 base 2. And again, I'm going to add 6 to both sides of the equation. And in that case, we're going to have here 3m minus 6 plus 6 equals 1 plus 6 plus log 3 base 2. And to simplify this, what I have here, 3m here minus 6 plus 6, that's 0, and 3m equals 1 plus 6, that will give us 7, plus log 3 base 2. And to get the value of m, we're going to divide both of the equation through by 3, and if you do that, you're going to have here that m equals 1 all over 3 into 7 plus log 3 base 2. And this is the value of m that will satisfy this equation right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.